मेरी मदद करो. In basic English, help me. In advanced English, could you lend me a hand? Could you lend me a hand? मैंने गलती की. In basic English, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. In advanced English, I slipped up. खुदा हाफिज. In basic English, goodbye. In advanced English, I will catch you later. I will catch you later. ये आसान है. In basic English, it's easy. In advanced English, it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. मैं समझ गया. In basic English, I understand. In advanced English, I got the point. मुझे यकीन नहीं आता. In basic English, I don't believe it. In advanced English, it's unbelievable. For hungry. In advanced English, I am starving. यहाँ से चले जाऊं. Go away. In advanced English, leave me alone. मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताती हूँ. In simple English, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. In advanced English, we can say, allow me to make one thing clear. Allow me to make one thing clear. वो जा रहा था. In basic English, he was going. In advanced English, he was departing. वो बाहर देख रहा था. In basic English, he was looking outside. In advanced English, he was gazing outside. वो बहुत खामोश है. In basic English, she is very quiet. In advanced English, he is remarkably reserved. वो बहुत गुस्से में है. In basic English, she is very angry. In advanced English, she is livid with anger. मुझे मालूम नहीं. In basic English, I don't know. In advanced English, we will say that I am not certain. मुझे याद नहीं. In basic English, I don't remember. In advanced English, we will say that my memory is a bit foggy. Subscribe for more.